Hey guys, welcome to the new lesson. It's time to move our car, so let's get start this lesson. First, open the player script. Uh, Let me adjust these functions like this. Now it's good. Now create a private void fixed update function. Inside this function, write rb.velocity is equal to vector3.forward multiply with let's create a variable for that. Serialize field private float move speed and set this to 20. Now add this variable here and multiply this with time dot fixed delta time. We are using the time dot fixed delta time. I think 20 for the move speed is not enough. So let's set this to 200. Okay. So now save the script and go back to the Unity. Select the player and hit play. See, still 200 is not enough. You can use the higher value here, but I think we should just simply remove the time dot fixed delta time. Now I think move speed 50 is enough. Yeah, it's quite good. That's it for this lesson. See you there in the next lesson.